Okay, I'll count down from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Time.
I kept trying to find the...
I know, I saw that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That looks promising. I do want to take that KHM for another spin at the table.
That's the wrong way.
85 words per minute. That
Whoa, neat! I told you it was promising. Yeah. See if I can beat that.
Probably can. You just try to remember that the return lever is right down lower. Alright, I'll count down from 5 again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Time. How many did you got?
Same amount. I had longer words now. Let's see.
This isn't even accurate because technically there's like a scale. It's like it's rounded to 5-letter words. So you're including words that have dropped letters?
$85. Taking away the one that you said was wrong. I took away the important 85. And I started yakking about political issues in the United States, so I have to say, I won!
Alright, let's try another one after this.